Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back to talk a little bit about our core return process today. We do get a lot of questions regarding this process, so hopefully I can answer some of those questions for you. Now, first thing is in front of me, I do have an example of a core that we would expect in return for your remanufactured purchase. As you can see, this is a long block with the cylinder heads, the timing components included, and basically in simplest terms, I just need exactly what I am sending you. Now, we do give you 15 days to return your core. We do ask that you make sure you have everything that you need off of your core before installing the new one, because once we come and pick it up, we do not have any way to return those parts back to you. Now, within that 15-day time period, you do need to initiate your core return by going online to our website and clicking on the Core Pickups tab. At that point, you will have to enter your basic contact information. It's going to include your invoice number, your name, email address, the pickup location, just the basic information that the shipping company is going to need to know in order to come and pick this up. Now, the biggest thing is that you must respond to that email and tell us that you have the bill of lading. If I am not 100% sure that you have the bill of lading, I will not send a carrier to come and pick it up, and you will be charged after 15 days. So you must let us know somehow that you do in fact have the bill of lading. It is printed, it is with the unit, and it is ready for the carrier to come and pick it up. Now, the unit itself needs to be returned in its original packaging. In this case, is on a pallet. We do ship most of our products in custom molded plastic bins. So in the event that yours does come in one of those, obviously you need to return it in that same custom molded plastic bin. All units must be drained and must be secured. Now, if you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach us at cores@powertrainproducts.net, or you can visit mypowertraincore.com, or you can give us a call at 888-842-0023. Thank you.